Hi, it's Joe Wiesner, Joe Wiesner Realty, and I have a brand new construction home in Hammonton, New Jersey that we're going to present to you today. And this home, which is a twin home by the way, it's a fee simple townhouse. It's located right here in the heart of Hammonton, and it's built by Michael Jaffe. And Michael's a good friend of mine. He's the owner of Creek View Developments, and he's allowed us to present here today, and hopefully we could put a deal together and get you here into Hammonton. But the property is 221 Grape Street, and Grape Street is one of the finest streets anywhere in South Jersey, let alone Hammonton. And you can see the unit here, 223. Michael has already sold that one, so the only one left here is 221. And we're gonna go inside and take a quick look at it. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. We are unveiling all of these properties that become just listed as we receive them, which are many, and you'll be the first to know. It's got 3 beds, 2.5 baths. The first half bath is right here, everything nice and neat. And you have another area here for your laundry, your washer and dryer. It's on the first floor where it should be. And then the property opens up to this gorgeous expanse here with the high ceilings. By the way, these are 9-foot ceilings, which is an upgrade which many builders won't give you. This is coming standard with this one. It's got the recessed lighting, and check out these windows. You have the no grates here with the vertical grate at the top, a super duper modern look. You got the exterior slider, and it opens up to a beautiful expanse here in the backyard, and it's separated by a white brand new 6-foot vinyl fence. Let's talk about this glorious kitchen here. You can see that the 9-foot ceilings, it allows for the 42-inch cabinets, which really make a statement. It's got the nice crown molding at the top of the cabinets, and these are all soft touch. So you kind of just let it go. Beautiful. Lazy Susan here. And you have your drawers with the dovetail joints. Michael always puts those extras in, and these are soft touch as well. It's got a stainless steel appliance package, granite countertops, and you have the gooseneck faucet here, all top of the line. Stainless steel appliance package, and you have your breakfast bar right here, breakfast island, and you could have at least 3, if not 4 stools there. So this is a super modern kitchen, opens up open air here to the family room. Put your TV wherever you want. But the ambient light here, the copious amount of sunlight that goes right around your property all day long is something that you'll find to be a spectacular feature of this home. Let's check out the upstairs. And welcome to your brand new master bedroom suite. And you have a vaulted ceiling here and a really glorious expanse here. Put your king size full bed here, 2 nightstands, no problem. Your TV goes on this wall. And then adjacent, of course, is your full master bath, and it has a stand-up shower, very large. Beautiful tile work on the floor here. Double vanity with furniture grade dovetail joints here in the vanity. And this is great as well. You have the open air shelving and this huge walk-in closet. And you got access here to your attic area. You have the full bath here that services the 2 other bedrooms here. All well appointed, lovely bright white vanity, dovetails again. And check out the copious amount of sunshine that comes in this bedroom number 2. Just exquisite. Closet space galore. And bedroom number 3, more of the same. Plenty of sunshine, closets, everything nice and neat, the way that it should be. Let's check out the basement real quick. The basement is poured concrete foundation. And you can see everything is in excellent shape here. You have the insulated walls. The ceiling is already drywalled, which is a real nice feature. And you have the Navian hot water system here. So you have natural gas, instant hot water. You never run out of hot water. You never want that to happen. That'll never happen here at this property. You have the drain tile system that goes all along the perimeter with the sub pump. And of course you have your newer HVAC system here. This is a Rudd system, and it's natural gas, high efficiency, and the central air is the same, all top of the line. So if you were looking for new construction and you wanted Hammonton, New Jersey, you have this brand new twin unit here for sale, and I don't believe it's gonna last very long. The unit next door has already sold. That's unit 223. 221 is for sale. Check out the link below. That'll send you to the website and you'll be able to see the pricing and a whole bunch of other details. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe it. And if you need your own personal tour, just contact us at this number right above. The property has 1,757 square feet, 3 beds, 2.5 baths, in the heart of Hammonton, close to everything. It's the place that you want to be. Michael Jaffe and Creekview Developments, they put up a terrific home and you could make this one yours. I hope to see you at the settlement table.